Running smoothly, and AI is here to shake things up. It's driving innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and opening up new frontiers in technology. The future of AI is bright, and it's just getting started. So stay tuned as we explore the incredible world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our lives. Let's talk about bugs. No, not the creepy crawly kind, though AI can probably help with those too. I'm talking about software bugs, those annoying glitches that make your apps crash. We've all been there. You're working on an important project, maybe it's a presentation for work or a school assignment, and suddenly, out of nowhere, your screen freezes. It's incredibly frustrating, right? You're in the middle of something important and bam! Your screen freezes. You try to click around, maybe even hit a few keys, but nothing works. You might even feel a bit of panic setting in as you realize you haven't saved your work in a while. Well, AI is here to save the day. Imagine having a digital assistant that not only helps you find bugs, but also suggests how to fix them. This isn't some far-off dream, it's happening right now. There are tools like Deep Code that act like spell check for code. These tools scan through your code, identify potential issues, and offer solutions. It's like having an extra pair of eyes that never get tired and are always on the lookout for mistakes. They find errors and suggest fixes, making developers' lives way easier. Imagine the time saved and the frustration avoided. No more endless hours spent debugging, no more pulling your hair out over a stubborn error message. And the best part? They're constantly learning, getting better at their job every single day. These AI tools use machine learning algorithms to improve their accuracy and efficiency. The more they are used, the smarter they become. It's like having a team member who is always learning and evolving, always getting better at their job. This means that as developers, we can focus more on creating and less on fixing. We can spend more time innovating and less time troubleshooting. It's a game changer for the industry. So next time you encounter a bug, remember, the bug-zapping bots are here to help. With AI on our side, the future of software development looks brighter than ever. Embrace the future with AI-powered bug fixing. It's not just about making our lives easier. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology. The bug-zapping bots are here, and they're ready to revolutionize the way we work. Hold my coffee. This is where things start to get really interesting. Imagine a world where you can simply describe what you want your software to do, and an AI can write the code for you. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening right now. Remember how I said AI is like teaching computers to think? Well, they're starting to think like programmers. This isn't just about simple tasks anymore. AI is evolving to understand complex programming languages and can even debug code. It's like having a junior developer who never sleeps and is always ready to help. Tools like GitHub Copilot can actually generate code. Imagine typing a comment or a simple instruction, and the AI suggests entire blocks of code. It's not just about saving time, it's about enhancing productivity and reducing the mental load on developers. You tell it what you want to do, and boom, it spits out lines of code. This can be especially useful for repetitive tasks or boilerplate code that doesn't require much creativity, but is necessary for the project. It's like having a supercharged autocomplete on steroids.
Now, before you software engineers panic, this doesn't mean robots are coming for your jobs, at least not entirely. The role of a software engineer is evolving. Instead of spending hours writing mundane code, you can focus on designing innovative solutions and solving complex problems. The AI handles the grunt work, allowing you to be more creative and strategic. Think of it as a superpowered assistant. It can handle the repetitive stuff, freeing you up to focus on the more creative, complex tasks. Imagine having more time to brainstorm new features, optimize performance, or even learn new technologies. The possibilities are endless when you have an AI assistant by your side. So, embrace the change and see how AI can transform your workflow for the better.
Remember that feeling when your internet crashes? Yeah, not fun. But what if we could predict those crashes before they happen? That's what AI is making possible. By analyzing data from past crashes, AI can identify patterns and predict future issues.
This isn't just about saving you from a few minutes of frustration. Imagine being able to prevent major outages for online businesses, hospitals, even entire cities. That's the power of AI in software engineering.
Part 5, the AI Project Manager.
Now you're talking. Software projects can be messy. Deadlines, budgets, miscommunication. It's enough to make your head spin. But guess what? AI can help with that too.
There are AI tools that can analyze project data, track progress, and even predict potential roadblocks.
Imagine having an assistant that can tell you if a project is going off track or if a deadline is unrealistic. That's the kind of insight AI can bring to software development.
Part 6. When the code writes itself, what do we do? Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. If AI can write code, test code, and even manage projects, what does that mean for software engineers? Are they all going to be out of a job?
The short answer is probably not. The long answer is a bit more nuanced. Just like any technological revolution, some jobs will change, some will disappear, and new ones will emerge.
Part 7. The ethics of AI. That's a whole other show. Now, before we get too excited about the future of AI, we need to talk about the ethical implications. When we're talking about machines that can learn and make decisions, things can get a little complicated.
Who's responsible when an AI-powered system makes a mistake? How do we prevent bias from creeping into these systems? These are questions we need to answer as AI becomes more integrated into our lives.
Part 8. So, you want to be an AI engineer? So after all that, are you still interested in the world of AI and software engineering? Good, because the future is wide open.
We need people who understand both the technology and its potential impact on society. We need people who can build AI systems that are not just efficient, but also ethical and fair. It's a challenging field, no doubt, but it's also incredibly exciting.